Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, to understand our question, what we have to do is we have to convert the given C code to Java code. So this is the given C code. Here we have the integer n and we have the variable index equal to 0 initially, and then we are getting the integer n, and then we are having a string, and after that we are iterating from ctr1 to ctr less than equal to en, and here they are incrementing the index with 1, and also here we have the scanf through which they are getting the input for the str of index. So if the index is 0 means it is str of 0, and after that here we have the printf, that is they are printing the string and they return 0. So let's take the test case for clear understanding. So here we have n as 4. Now, how this statement works is first, initially, the index will be equal to 0, and the string in that place will be computer, and after that, the index will be incremented by 1 and it becomes 1. So we'll have str of 1 as keyboard, but since index is 1, it will start from here. So C will be included and then we'll have keyboard. And now the index will become 2 and will start after C and K as index is 2. So here we have mouse. So CK mouse, and then index becomes 3, and now we will have CKM and the other word battery. So now let us take the strings and get our output. So computer and C keyboard and CK mouse and CKM battery, and this will be our output. Now let's see how to solve this program. So here we have to get the integer n as the input, and after getting the input we'll have sc dot next line in order to move the cursor to the next line, and after that we have to get the string yes, and for ctr 0 to ctr n. So in this iteration we'll have the yes will be added with the sc dot next line of, so this is the input string, and then we'll have to print the string yes, and yes will be modified as yes dot substring of 0 comma ctr plus 1. So this will be our program.